Well, hi there and welcome back. Dan again from Clean Guru. So, many cleaning businesses operate with whoever calls in for a bid, whoever calls in for a quote, whether it be a commercial job or a residential job. Those are the prospective clients that they bid on, and that's how they get new jobs. That's how they drive their revenue. So, what's wrong with that? What's wrong with just taking the next 10 people, commercial or residential, that call in? Well, there's nothing necessarily wrong about it, but there's something that could be quite a bit better, and that is taking the next 10 calls from people on a list that you've targeted. Why is that? Because the 10 people that just call you cold, that are just calling in, what are they calling for? A bid. They're calling for a quote on their job. What are the 10 people calling for from your list that you've been marketing to? They're calling for you. That's very different. Now, sure, they want a bid, they want a quote, but it's a lot different that they're calling for you versus just calling around for a bid. It just really hit me how important that is, and I wanted to share it. Till next time, remember, you can do this. You really can.